Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you some of the Canva tips and tricks for beginners. So the first one that I'm going to show you is how you can select difficult layers on your design. So for example, in here, I have this 3 layers and I want to choose or select the middle one. So what you need to do is just use a shortcut on your keyboard. You just need to click on Control plus left click on your mouse. Let's try it like this. So the middle layers will be selected just like that. And the next one that I'm going to show you is how you can add shadow effects on the text. So for example, in here I'm going to add shadow effects on this text right here. So you can just click on the text and go to effects at the top. Then here you can choose shadow. You can see now the text will have shadow on it. Here you can also select or change the color of the shadow to how you like it, like this. Okay, I'm going to choose this one. And the next one is that how you can add gradient backgrounds. So for example, I'm going to change the background on this to become a gradient color. So you can just click on the background and here just click on the background color at the top left. And if you scroll down, this is the default colors, and scroll down, there is this gradient section. So you can just choose the color that you want for your designs like this. So for the next one is you can I'm going to show you the shortcut to easily add tags on your design. So what you need to do is just click on the T letter on your keyboard. So I'm going to add text in here. For example, just click on the design and then click on T, and you can see that the text box will be automatically open, and here you can just write the text that you want, just like that. Okay, for the next one, you can add color palettes. How you can add color palette to your blanket. For example, here I'm going to just select a color. For example, this one's right here. Now you can just click on the color at the top, and if you scroll down, you can just click on add it in here, and here you can click on add palette. But this is a pro feature, so you need to join the pro first before you can add a new color palette. And the next one is that you can drag and drop image to easily upload it. So just find the image on your file in here on your, for example, I'm going to add this image right here, so you can just drag and drop it to the canvas like this. So it will automatically upload it into your Canva. And now how you can easily duplicate. So if you want to copy some elements, you can now just click on the elements that you want to copy, and then here at the top you can see the duplicate button, and just like that it will duplicate the elements that you selected. So for the next one, I'm going to show you the shortcut to zoom in and out your canvas. So you can just click on this basically, but if you want to use a shortcut, you can just click on the control button on your keyboard and then the plus and minus icon on the keyboard. So here I'm going to zoom in, so I'm going to click on control and plus icon on my keyboard, and you can see just like that it will zoom in the canvas. So for the next one, I'm going to show you how you can group elements. In here I'm going to group this 5 right here. So what you need to do is just click on the elements that you want to group and then click on the next element by clicking on shift on your keyboard and then click on the elements, then click another elements again, and now you can just click on group, or you can just highlight it like this. You can click on the 3 dots icon, sorry, one, you can just right click and click on group, just like that, the elements will be grouped. So for cropping, I'm going to show you how you can crop an element. So here you can just click on the elements that you want to crop, then go to the edit image, and in here you can see crop at the top. Now you can just select the aspect ratio, or you can just freely crop to how you like it, just like that. So the next one is how you can filter elements by color. For example, in here I'm going to find some elements, so click on elements. I'm going to find arrow, for example. Then here to filter it by elements, just click on the filter icon and click on the colors that you want. I'm going to go with yellow, and you can see Canva will show you the elements only in yellow color. So for the next one is how you can hyperlink text. So in this case, if you want to add link into the text on PDF, usually you can just select the part that you want to add, for example this one, and here you can click on the three dots icon or just select the text. Let's, for example this one, and in here you can see there's link options. You can just click on the link and just paste a link in here, then click on enter. And next one is how you can use template to save more time. So if you want to create something, you can just easily use templates on Canva. Just click on design in here and add to templates, and here you can just use keyword. For example, I'm going to go with blue, and you can easily find templates related to the blue or the keyword that you choose here. So for the next one, you can use ruler to perfect alignment. So for example, you can just go to file in here and then go to settings, and here you can just click on show rule and guide, and here you can just drag the ruler. I'm going to go with here, and if you want to, you can just align the text to go with the ruler in here. So for the next one, how you can remove background. So if you want to remove a background in a photo, you can just click on the photo, go to the edit image and use this background remover. But this is only for the pro user, so you need to join the Canva Pro first before you can use it. And after that, the last one is that how you can add a Canva, how you can use Canva frame. So under the elements, there is a frame category, this one. So in here, frame can be used to shape your photo into a certain frame shape that you chose. So for example, I'm going to go with this heart shape, and I'm going to choose a photo from Canva. For example, this one's right here. Now you can just drag the photo into the frame just like this, and the photo will be shaped into the frame that you selected. So that's basically all. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks.